Hi guys, I wanted to give you an update regarding the WojciechRobot project. And I wanted to start by showing you how I did the PCB for it. So I started with this board on which you can solder on. This is where the ESP32 was supposed to go. This is a motor controller. And this is a power supply controller. So it drops voltage from 12 volts to 5 volts. And I quickly found out that doing all this soldering can be very fiddly, and making a mistake here can make the whole board go to garbage. This is a lot of tinkering, a lot of welding, a lot of wires, and finding out what goes where can be very difficult, and finding and correcting errors can be very difficult as well. So after doing this, I decided to create my own PCB, send it to a factory for printing. So after designing the whole board, this is how it looked like after coming back from the factory. Looks very nice. The color is a bit different on the camera than it is. It's a really dark blue, sorry, dark green. This is how it looks like. And after soldering all these components, this is how it looks like. So this is where the ESP32 will go. These 4 places are for the motor drivers. This is where you connect the motors in these 4 places. This is for IMU, so like a gyroscope, and these will probably be for the LCD screen. This is an on and off switch here. Power. This is a varistor, and this huge thing, you can see it's very big. This is a glass fuse, and here will be a drop down voltage DC to DC converter from 12 volts, which will be supplied by battery, to 5 volts that is needed by the motors and ESP32. So this is the first part of the update. And the second part of the update, I wanted to show you how to connect the wheels to the motors, because I found it not that easy how to connect these 2 things. And the way to do it, because here you have a shaft which is completely round when you get it from the store. So this shaft needs to be ground in one spot, flattened out with an angle grinder. And then to connect it to a wheel, I bought these very high M5 nuts. And I drilled them out halfway. This is a new nut, and I drilled it out halfway, so you can see it's like half flat on the inside. Then I drilled out a hole in it, tapped it, and put an M2 screw in it. And here on the other side you can see this. This is a regular M5 rod. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, this is a regular M5 rod. And then you screw it in here. You put a regular nut, and then on this other side you can screw in an M5 screw into this nut. So this is how the wheels are connected to the motors. So all these wires here, these motor wires, well, it will now be able to connect into these 4 places to control the motors. So that's all regarding the regarding the WojciechRobot project. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like the video and would like to see more of these, please like and subscribe. It will help the channel to grow. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.